Nobody tells you what to do with the mornings. Once you stop believing they mean something, you still wake up. That's the strange part. The body doesn't wait for a reason. It just continues, like it didn't get the memo. So you make coffee, bad coffee, on purpose, because at least that gives tomorrow a direction. There's a pigeon outside my window. Every morning, same ledge, same posture, like it has somewhere to be and absolutely nowhere to go. Today, it found a pretzel, enormous thing, twice its size, and it looked at that pretzel the way I used to look at my life, convinced there was a way in, just not sure where. It tried for 45 minutes. I watched the whole thing, didn't check my phone once. The pretzel won. The pigeon left, then came back, different angle. People think I've given up. I understand why. The apartment doesn't help, the hours don't help, the whole general silence of my ambition doesn't exactly broadcast fine. But giving up means you had a destination and sat down on a road. I just stopped pretending I knew where the road was going. That's different, I think. At least that's what I tell myself at 9 a.m. on a Tuesday with cold coffee in my hand and a pigeon outside who still hasn't quit. Camus wrote about Sisyphus, the man condemned to push a boulder up a hill, only to watch it roll back down forever. Everyone focuses on the boulder, on the hill, on the forever. Nobody talks about the walk back down, the quiet moment between one attempt and the next. Camus says that's where he's free. That's where he's himself. Not at the top, not pushing, just walking, knowing exactly what comes next, choosing it anyway. I don't have a boulder. I have bad coffee and a pigeon and about 4 hours of trying to write something before I accept I won't. I call my mother on Tuesdays. She asks if I'm okay. I say yes and mean it in a way I couldn't explain to someone who needed the answer to be simple. I feel things deeply. The end of a song, rain on the window at 4 a.m., the way a stranger laughs on the street below, and you'll never know what was funny. Those things wreck me quietly in the best possible way. I just stopped crying over the parts I was supposed to cry over. The 5-year plan, the promotion, the feeling that time is running out on something I never actually wanted. The pigeon is gone now. The pretzel is still there. It'll be back in the morning. I know it will. Same ledge, same pretzel, same stubborn, beautiful refusal to accept the math. And I'll be here with slightly better coffee. I've been working on it, watching, rooting for it. Because that's the thing about the absurd. It doesn't ask you to win. It doesn't ask you to find the meaning hiding somewhere underneath everything. It just asks you to show up tomorrow, to look out the window, to notice the pigeon, to do it again.